installation of the wing is easy enough, but there's not much material for the tabs to grip onto to the supports. You can see right here the tampo markings are unbroken, right, on each side. You'll see it on this side too. So it might have a tendency to pop off, you know, during hard racing. So a little bit of adhesive. I just went right here on the underside. I'm just using a little bit of the UV resin. You can use anything you want. And just a little bit here on the toothpick. And you got it. That's all it takes. And then just a quick frank zapper right there with the light. And good to go. Again, you can use silicone, B7000. You got it. Just the UV worked for me. Hope that helps you.